And a fork.
I'm gonna wait to eat it now, so that people aren't like, "Wow, you really wanted it."
Wow. Wow.
Actually,
Oh, here,
I can't
guys.
wait,
You want to
never
see
mind.
it? Do you guys want to see? I'm gonna take it away from you again.
No, you good. Wow.
Okay, there you go.
You have to rate the food, give an honest opinion. Okay, I will. Also, I don't like Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, he's never tried Brussels sprouts.
No, I've tried them.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, I've had them a few times.
Okay.
I didn't like them.
So these
But it
are
depends how you prepare them.
honey balsamic glazed roasted.
Okay.
So they have a good texture. I put a little bit too much oil on them on accident. I wasn't paying attention. Yeah. So, but yeah, they're really good, really flavorful. This is my favorite way to have Brussels sprouts.
Let's try this first.
The part he really cares about. Mmm.
The meat.
The meat.
Garlic. Holy shit.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Yeah, it was super garlicky.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, if I'm making you a plate, do you want Brussels sprouts? Do you want Brussels sprouts? Huh? You want to try them?
Wish I didn't really hear.
I am the ideal neighbor.
Well, it's the best Brussels sprouts I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah.
Yay! How's it cooked?
Steak?
Yeah.
Good.
Good. Okay.
This is in the oven, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cast iron.
Yeah, I do a cast iron sear on all sides in butter, and it's just seasoned with salt and pepper, and then I pop it in the oven for a bit too. All right, and then I'm gonna cut this in half because I'm sharing mine with Waffle. I can never eat a whole steak anyways.
Okay. I mean, I can cut mine.
No, you're fine. Waffle just had, ooh, it's perfect. Waffle just had 5 Guys, so he's like not super hungry.
Coma.
He's in a food coma. Well, I guess that was 2 hours ago now, but. Let me just grab a knife in here. We need steak knives. We need to go to Sur La Table. Waffle, are you gonna get up and eat? Are you gonna get up and eat?
He'll tell her if the food isn't good, so would Waffle. No, yeah, it's
Yeah,
good. It's good.
All right. Color is like off in the cameras. Mmm. Oh, that's good. These steaks are just so nice. I think it's just really high quality steak.
Yeah, where did you get the steak?
We get them from Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's?
Mm-hmm. It's 20 bucks for both of these steaks.
Okay. That's not bad.
Yeah, so it's not like super expensive.
How much, is this like a pound? Or how
This
much?
was 0.85
For both.
for both, yeah.
That sounds right.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they can kind of see Waffle's head in the microwave.
Mm-hmm. Looks like I'm cooking a head in the microwave. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I love Trader Joe's.
I just started going there.
Mm-hmm.
Can't believe I've never been there like all these years. I don't know why, when I was younger, I my mom would go there and she would get like these like gluten-free snacks and like, stuff like
gross.
that. And so I just assumed it was like one of those like fancy cutesy stores that only had.
I mean,
that
it kind
stuff.
of is.
It does have that.
Yeah.
Stuff. Yeah. But it also has like lots of good stuff. I didn't realize.
Yeah, Trader Joe's does have a lot of really healthy stuff. I like a lot of their frozen meals.
Yep.
Their frozen stuff is really good.
Yep. I've been preaching about those like every night for the past like week because that's when I discovered it and now it's all I'm getting. The soup dumplings are really good there.
Yeah.
Bao.
Did you get the short ribs, the Korean short ribs
Oh,
there?
shit, I haven't.